Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You need the Zoom app and a basic account. Install and sign in now. First, open Settings and test camera, microphone, and speaker. This avoids surprises during the meeting. Once done, copy the meeting ID or open the invite link. Click Join and enter the ID or passcode if required. Make sure to allow camera and mic permissions on your device, because without them others can't see or hear you. Once in the meeting, locate the toolbar at the bottom. Mute, video, participants, chat, and share screen are primary. You can mute to reduce noise, then unmute when speaking. Use video to toggle camera. For presentations, click Share Screen, pick a window or entire screen, and check Share Computer Sound when playing audio. Use participants to raise hand or rename yourself, and switch between speaker and gallery views to follow the conversation more easily. To finish, click Leave to exit or, if you are host, End Meeting for all. Confirm your choice. If you recorded, wait for processing and locate the file in your chosen folder or cloud. If problems occur, first reconnect to the meeting and verify camera and mic permissions. Next, try switching between wired and wireless networks or use another device. If audio still fails, restart the app. This clears temporary.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.